What's up guys, welcome to Sampath Tech, and today we got our hands on the iPhone 11 with the latest deal on Amazon's Great Indian Sale. So without further ado, let's go into the video. To make a review about iPhone 11 is easy, or I could even say more easy. Inside the box we get iPhone 11 and earpods and charging cable and adapter. And yes, it supports wireless charging. So iPhone 11 is the successor of iPhone XR, and we got some extra battery life and extra camera, and we got the Apple's A13 Bionic chip, which was powerful. But for some users I recommend this phone, and for some I won't. So we got a 6.1-inch liquid retina IPS LCD display, so it's not even a full HD display, but you kinda not notice it. But if you're under the sun, you could notice that. The iPhone 11 is available in 3 storage options and 6 colors. We got the red color 64GB variant. Now let's see the camera performance of the phone. iPhone 11 comes with 2 camera lenses. Both the normal lens and the ultra-wide lens are having 12 megapixels, and the photos are like what we expect from an iPhone. And at the front, we got the dual 12 megapixel lens with a depth sensor. And also, we get the night mode for iPhone, which can take photos in dark better than pixel. And coming to the video quality, Apple always stands at the top. This could record 4K at 60 frames per second, which was normal nowadays, but the quality we would get was awesome. Coming to the performance, we got the Apple's A13 Bionic chip, which could help you with your gaming hours and everything else, including your daily tasks. Now let's go to the point where I won't recommend this phone to users. To be fair, the deal was kinda cool, but if you're a person who is enthusiastic about 5G, this isn't a phone for you. But still, it will take 3 to 5 years to make a good infrastructure for 5G. So, if you're a person looking for a 5G phone at this price point, you could pretty get some good deals from other smartphone companies. Also, the battery on this thing is good, but for some heavy users, it may not be ideal. But at the end, we are getting an iPhone. So before you leave, please leave a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. And lastly, a sub to my channel makes a day for me.